Alright, we're driving here. I told you I was going to upload some more videos, and I am already. So, we're driving here, and you can see not too far in front of us, there's rain. You can see how foggy it is. So, I'm going to pause the video, and then when we get up to it and we start going in it, I'll start the video again. Wow, it is dark over there. Oh, look at that. Here's a darker view. Wow, look at that cloud. Holy cow. It's broad daylight. And it is getting dark. Wow. Look how dark. What time is it, Mom?
2:15.
It's 2:15 in the afternoon. Should be broad daylight right now, but it's getting dark. It's pretty crazy. I've never seen... It's been a long time since I've seen some clouds this thick. No, you're not storm chasers. My gosh. Wow. Well, we've hit it. Look how hard it's raining. It's foggy. Turning the wipers up so we can see better a little bit. Some people have pulled over because of how hard it's raining, but yeah, I think we'll be fine. You gotta remember, I hate driving in the rain like this. I'm shaking a little bit, but you just gotta remember. I mean, if you're not a Christian, you can. If you're not a Christian, then you can click off my video right now, but just, you gotta remember, God is with you, always. Just keep saying that, and He will take away your fears, I promise you. It works every time. You can barely see headlights behind us. There is very low traction on the road right now. But we're out of the bad part. Leave that in the past. Good gosh. We hydroplaning? The wheel made some funky sounds. That's why I asked that question.
Yeah.
Never heard a wheel make that sound before. That was kind of creepy. Yay, we're out of it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like storm videos. I do. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. More videos coming soon. Make sure to subscribe and like and share this video with your family and friends.